Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and you all are learning very sincerely for your final semester. Today we will do GK chapter. Alright, today we will do 2 chapters because both are very easy chapters, so we will try to cover it today only. First chapter is chapter number 31. What do these signs tell us? Okay. And the next chapter we will be doing today is chapter number 55, our neighborhood. So let's start. Name is Life Skills and Value Education. Chapter number 31. What do these signs tell us? My dear students, in this chapter, some signs are given to you which you generally see on the road, in the park or at school. Okay, you have to identify that particular symbol and write down what is that sign. Okay, read the question. Wherever we go, on the road, in the park, at school and even at the hospital, we see different signs put up. A sign tells us what to do or not to do. It may even tell us something about the place. My dear students, what is the use of sign? If we see the symbol, we get to know what we have to do here and what we don't have to do here, okay? See A part. On the road, do you know what these signs means? See the first one. No entry. See this picture, student. No entry. No entry means you are not allowed to enter in that specific area. Maybe construction is going on or that area is not safe. Okay. So this sign stands for no entry. Okay. If no entry sign is there, you will never ever go there. Alright. Number 2. See the picture. This sign stands for no horn. In the picture also, you are able to see horn is there and this cross is there. It means horn is not allowed. My dear students, there are some areas like near schools, near hospitals, horns are not allowed because students and patients, they will be disturbed. Okay, in school, in hospital, silence is the utmost thing, right? So, no horn is the symbol. Okay, student? Now come to the third one. In the third sign, P is there and again cross is there. P stands for parking and cross sign is there. It means no parking. You're not allowed to park in that specific area. Not your car, not your bicycle. Okay? You may also be charged for doing the same. So P is there and cross is there. It stands no parking. Okay? Come to the B part. Where would you see these signs? Now some signs are given to you. You have to tell where you see them in hospitals, schools, bus stop, train, anywhere they can be located. Okay? Where would you see these signs? First one, stop. Where we see this sign? We generally see this in bus stop. Okay? In the bus stop, we see the sign stop. Where all the people, they stand. Alright students, bus stop is there. Number 2. This is a cigarette. Cigarette means smoking. Where smoking is not allowed? In train. Okay, so write down train. In train, smoking is not allowed. So, this symbol stands for no smoking. Okay, students? Third one. See, water is there, fork, knife is there. Where we see these signs, we see in the restaurant. Okay, so write down restaurant. In restaurant, we have knife, fork, glass. So this is a symbol of restaurant. Okay, students? Now we are done with this chapter. Today we will do one more chapter because it was very easy. Come to 55's chapter, our neighborhood. Okay. Chapter 55, our neighborhood. Students, in this chapter, some important neighborhood places are given to you. You have to write the name of those important places with the help of this help box. Okay? First one, we post our letters from this place. Suppose you want to send any letter to your friend or family, or you want to courier something to any of your known who is in another country or in another city. How you will do it? We will do it by post office. We will go to post office. We will give that thing or letter to them. They will give a stamp and they will paste on it. Okay, students? So we post our letter from this place. Which place is that? Post office. Number 2, doctors and nurses work here. Where doctors and nurses work? In hospital. If you fall ill or you get hurt, where you go? We go to hospital. Doctors help us. They treat us. Okay, students? Number 3, people deposit their money here. Where people deposit money? You must have gone there also. People deposit their money in bank, because in bank our money is very much safe. Okay, so in bank people deposit their money, and we can withdraw also from ATM or by going to bank. Number 4, we can buy different things like fruits, vegetables and stationery here. You also eat fruits, vegetables also. You need pencil, rubber, sharpener, everything you need. Where you go? You go to market. Different markets are there. Main market is there. Some markets are there. So we go to market to buy fruits, vegetables and stationery. So write down market. Now come to the last one. This is a place where police inspectors work. Where police inspectors work? They work in police stations. Write down police station. My dear students, police officer guards us. Okay? Whenever any thief comes or any mishappening is there in your city, who helps us? Police. So, police station is a place where police inspectors work. Okay, my dear students, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Please write down spellings correctly and nicely. Thank you.